Ngayemye ang kapabaluan ng Bank of Commerce dikil king gustong pamanalan pera. Ay ni-report ang Jercel Martin.
Edukasyon di kilking financial literacy ing metong karengyang ng programa ng Bank of Commerce o BOC. Yan ing pepasyag ng Melanie Ginto, ing branch manager ng BOC king Angeles. Kayag na ning pamagbisita na niti king Kapihan Media Forum ng Pampanga Press Club king Sisotel Clark. Keti, binida ng Ginto ing balaw sa progreso ng bangko at reng serbisyong yampang dareti.
Today po, we are happy to share with you. Topic of our seminar is financial literacy. By the way po, let me give you a profile of our bank. We are an affiliate of San Miguel Corporation since 2008, and Bank of Commerce is publicly listed universal bank focused on helping clients, communities, and conglomerate partners by delivering the best choice of financial services. So Bank of Commerce has 140 branches and 268 automated teller machines, including cash kiosks, strategically located nationwide.
Keti dinikdiking ulaga ng gustong financial planning at numakanano makapanipon pera kapamilatan ng planning cycle.
So, what is financial planning po? Sino po kaya ang pwedeng mag-share ng thoughts? Opo, financial planning. By the way po, sa sasagot we have limited edition of Bancom notebook. Any idea lang po sa financial planning? Correct, sir. Thank you po for that. So, financial planning is comprehensive evaluation of individuals' current and future financial state to predict and manage future cash flows, expenditures, and asset values. So, dito po, tuturuan po namin kayo on how to save, well, wherein income minus savings equals expenses. Okay. Next one. The financial planning cycle. So, what is my financial state? So, from this, we will ask ourselves po, nasaan na tayo sa ating financial state? And what do I want to achieve? What must I do to achieve it? Am I doing it right? Or what changes do I need to make it?
Dinitali nemo naman ng programang SMART ang mga bandugang specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, ampo time-based.
In financial planning, we also share the specific, the smart way, where in a specific state exactly what is to be done. Measurable includes how the goal can be measured. Attainable determines steps to reach the goal. Relevant, do not set goals for something unrealistic. And time-based, state when the goal will be met.
Ako po, Jercel Martin, para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tuto, king Balen, susuyo.